कभी सोचा है कि हम इतना कुछ ट्राई करते हैं अपनी लाइफ बेटर बनाने के लिए। फिजिकली, मेंटली और स्पिरिचुअली हम हर तरह की कोशिश करते हैं कि हमारी लाइफ बेटर बन सके, हम जो चाहते हैं हमें वो मिल जाए। कुछ लोग सक्सेसफुल हो भी जाते हैं, बट कुछ लोग स्ट्रगल करते हैं अपने ड्रीम्स को, अपने गोल्स को अचीव करने में। हम बहुत सारी चीज़ फॉलो करते हैं, जैसे कि अफर्मेशंस लिखना, विजन बोर्ड बनाना, मोटिवेशनल और इंस्पिरेशनल रील्स को देखना, उनको सेव भी करना। और फिर भी एक पॉइंट के बाद लगता है कुछ तो मिसिंग है। आई एम नॉट गेटिंग व्हाट आई वांट। वेल, यू आर नॉट अलोन। नमस्कार, मैं हूँ आपकी होस्ट एंड दोस्त प्रियंका और स्वागत करती हूँ एक और सोलफुल एपिसोड ऑफ सोल करे विद प्रियंका में, जहाँ पर हम बात करते हैं निटी ग्रिटीज ऑफ लाइफ, लव एंड सोल। और आज मैं आपसे बात करने आई हूँ मैनिफेस्टेशन पर, लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन पर। मैनिफेस्टेशन sounds like a fancy buzzword these days, isn't it, right? Thousands of content available for how to manifest. But क्या, even going by the book, are you really able to manifest whatever your heart desires? Well, जवाब कमेंट में मुझे ज़रूर दीजिएगा। हम में से काफ़ी लोग अभी भी स्टक फील करते हैं, क्योंकि किसी ने बताया ही नहीं कि मैनिफेस्टेशन इज़ नॉट अ शॉर्टकट टू योर ड्रीम लाइफ। इट्स अ मिरर ऑफ हाउ डीपली you believe in what you are asking for, and more importantly, how deeply you believe in yourself. Manifestation, it's all about tuning your energy to what you want. The law of attraction simply says that what you focus on expands and what you expect you attract. आजकल मैनिफेस्टेशन एक एस्थेटिक बन गया है। प्रीटी जर्नल्स, स्क्रिप्टिंग टेक्निक्स, 369 मेथड। लेकिन असली सवाल ये है कि जब आप ये सब कर रहे हो तो क्या अंदर से आप खुद को उस लाइफ के लायक समझते हो? कहीं आप डाउट तो नहीं कर रहे अपने ही विश पर, या बस लग रहा है कि किसी कॉस्मेटिक वेंडिंग मशीन से ऑर्डर प्लेस कर रहे हैं? द ट्रूथ इज, द यूनिवर्स does not respond to your words. It responds to your identity, your vibe, your energetic consistency. अच्छा, चलिए देखते हैं कि जब आपको भूख लगती है और आपने स्विगी से अपना कोई कंफर्ट फूड मंगा लिया, आपको कंफर्मेशन भी आ गया, बट विद इन 3 minutes you will be like, why isn't the delivery guy moving? Is the restaurant even preparing my order? You keep refreshing, and suddenly you are anxious and doubting the whole process. But the order is already on its way. That's exactly how manifestation works. You have placed your energetic order. But if you keep doubting and refreshing, you delay the joy of receiving. And what about the people who are in love? How they behave? Let's be honest here. Have you ever texted someone you like and then kept checking your phone every few seconds, and you start wondering, why didn't they reply yet? Did I say something wrong? And in that overthinking, you lose the energy of confidence you had when you first hit the send button. That's how energy works. The law of attraction teaches us: ask, believe, and let go. Don't chase. Just trust that what's meant for you will find you. Now, okay, let's take something super common. Weight loss. You have set the intention. You have even written it in your journal. I am fit, I am toned, I love my body. But then what happens? You step on scale and the number hasn't moved. Suddenly all your affirmations go out of the window. You think, this is not working, nothing changes for me. That right there is the vibration you are sending out. Not the one of I am becoming healthier, but the one of I am stuck, I am failing. The truth is, you can't manifest a body you love while secretly hating the one you are in right now. So you need a identity shift. So instead of asking, how do I manifest love? You need to ask, how would I treat myself if I already felt loved? Instead of, how do I manifest success? Ask, what decision would I take today if I already felt successful? No, this is not delusion. This is energetic alignment. आपको अपने सपनों के साथ चीट कोड नहीं चाहिए. आपको सिर्फ अपने अंदर का वर्जन एक्टिवेट करना है जो उस सपने के साथ नेचुरली अलाइंड है. तो क्या करें? Well, after aligning yourself with the thought of attracting something, then you can practice affirmation, vision boards, journaling, etc. etc. Now, I'm also aware that journaling is not for everyone. So, here I am with non-journaling, realistic, soul-friendly tools that you can actually try. The first one you can do is every morning look at yourself in the mirror, not to fix anything, but to witness your power, and softly say, I already am him or her, that is your future self, and I am just catching up to it. You are reminding your subconscious, this life is already yours. No long affirmations, just presence. You can also use a small sensory ritual, a physical anchor that helps us to feel the future version of ourselves. For example, take a perfume. Yes, scent is deeply linked to memory and identity. Choose one that smells like confidence, softness, success, whatever future you radiates. Each time you wear it, you are stepping into that future energy. Maybe a mug with a message, that Boss Energy coffee mug. It's not just for tea or coffee. It's your daily cue. I lead my life. I am intentional. I receive. When you sip, you are sipping from that world. Well, you can also try a playlist. Music shifts emotions instantly. Agree, na? Then create a playlist called Future Me. Songs that make you feel limitless, grounded, worthy. Play it when you are getting ready, working, walking. Let the sound become your state. And you can also take a 10-minute walk alone. Imagine future. You walking through your future day. Calm, grateful, decisive. So now you take a walk today, not to escape, but to embody your future self rhythm. Shoulders back, breath steady, no rushing at all. Remember, it's not about the mug or the perfume. It's about training your body and energy to feel how you would feel. Because the more you feel like your future self today, the faster your outer world reshapes to reflect that life. You can also try this 10-10 method. 10 seconds, close your eyes, take a deep breath, and then 10 seconds, visualize one thing that's already working for you. This rewires your body into safety, not into the lack. You can also send an audio note to universe. Forget about journaling. Open your phone's voice recorder. Speak to the universe like you would to a best friend. No pressure, no script, just pure emotion. And you will be surprised at what flows out. So next time you find yourself stuck or spiraling, remember, it's not about wishing harder. It's about softening deeper. You don't manifest by force. You manifest by feeling safe enough to receive. आपके सपने दूर नहीं हैं. शायद बस आपका करंट सेल्फ उनकी फ्रीक्वेंसी से ऑफ ट्यून है. So here's my final truth for today. The law of attraction is always working. You don't need to force it. You just need to trust it and become a match for the life you desire. So stop chasing, start aligning. Be what you seek. Because once you shift your inner identity, your outer reality has no choice but to follow. If something clicked in your heart today, share this episode with someone who needs to hear it too. You are not behind. You are not lost. You are simply remembering who you really are. And the universe, it's listening. Always. And so am I. So keep conversing with me, send me audio notes, write a comment, follow, and share. Till then, Shukriya.